Hello everybody. I am going to demonstrate this Lithonia Lighting dusk to dawn 70 watt high pressure sodium security wall light. I got this light for my 14th birthday 10 years ago, and since then I've actually had it turned on only a handful of times. But I'm hoping to be able to see it turn on again. And this is what the box looks like. This is like the front of the box. This is what the fixture looks like. It has a 70 watt bulb included, a photocell. You can easily mount it to a wall, and it is weather resistant. And then here's another picture of the fixture lit up, although you can't really see it well. The diffuser makes the light look more gold than orange, as what high pressure sodium lamps are generally like. And here's another side. We had to use tape to hold the box shut because the fixture is pretty bulky in the box. And then here they talk about how the fixture works. Sorry about that shadow. And about how to mount it as well, in addition to mounting it properly. You gotta make sure you have the appropriate power supply. Now I'm going to take the fixture out of the box. This is the manual that came with the fixture. And then here's the fixture itself. The photo control, the photo cell is built into it, so you don't have to replace it. Although I don't know what you do if the photo cell does malfunction, because since it's hardwired into the fixture, I don't know how you would replace it. But the diffuser is screwed on and comes off, and I am going to take it off when I turn the fixture on. Now the back is pretty plain. There's a mounting plate in the box, as well as wire connectors. Maybe hard to see, but there's a small plug in the back, and I'm hoping to turn this on. Okay, I took the diffuser off. Actually, the whole front of the fixture comes off, but still, I don't know if you can replace this photocell, for example. I think it's built in there. There they have some other information about the lamp, and actually I'm going to turn it around this way because this is how you would mount it on a wall. I'm going to turn off that light there, and then hopefully I'll be able to see what I'm doing in the dark. It's not going to be completely dark, but definitely dark enough for me to easily demonstrate this fixture. And now I'm going to plug it in. Now, if you're doing this on your own, I recommend that you have adult supervision. Here it comes. It's kind of like whitish, at least to my eyes, when it first comes on. Some cobwebs around the bulb. Better. See, make sure that you never ever touch a bulb like that because it can be very hot. It can sufficiently burn you. This fixture does get pretty bright. And it seems to warm up fairly quickly as well. Zoom in on the bulb. I don't want to stare directly at it because it's pretty bright. It'll probably bother my eyes. Yeah, and you shouldn't stare at these types of lights directly. I think it's close to reaching full brightness. Now, if I was to put the cover on, I'm going to do so very carefully. The fixture the light may produce more of a gold color than an orange color. And they probably intentionally made the diffuser so that the light does not look as ugly. Because a lot of people might see these types of lights as ugly since they produce an orange color, which may appear unpleasant. I personally don't mind them depending on the application. I wouldn't want this type of light in a fancy, like by a fancy building or near like a wooded area or anywhere where animals would live, because this type of light can be very disturbing, and also this type of light can cause light pollution at night. And so in a real life application, I would use LEDs. Now, I think some of the light reflected itself back into, was reflected by the photocell, and now the fixture turned off. And now you can see it cooling down, but that's going to be it. I'm going to turn this light back on. There it comes back on again. See, I think the fixture will cycle. You need to make sure that no light from the fixture can be reflected off the photocell and turn the fixture off again, but I think I'm just going to unplug it now. But thank you very much for taking your time to watch me demonstrating this Lithonia light fixture.